Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a Razer microphone to Discord with correct input settings step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Razer microphone is properly connected to your computer. Plug the USB or audio jack of your microphone into the appropriate port on your device. Once connected, right-click the speaker icon in the system tray located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Select Sounds from the menu that appears. In the sound window, navigate to the Recording tab. Find your Razer microphone in the list of recording devices. Click on your microphone to highlight it. Then, click the Set Default button at the bottom of the window. Once set, click on Properties on the same window. Go to the Levels tab in the Microphone Properties. Adjust the microphone level to suit your preferences, generally between 70 to 100 is recommended. After adjusting, click OK to save your settings. Next, open Discord on your computer. In Discord, locate the gear icon at the bottom left corner to open User Settings. In the User Settings menu, scroll down and select Voice and Video. Under the Input Device section, click the drop-down menu. Choose your Razer microphone from the list of available devices. Next, scroll down to the Input Sensitivity section. If you want to adjust the sensitivity, toggle off Automatically Determine Input Sensitivity. Once your settings are configured, click Escape to exit the user settings. Finally, join a voice channel and test your microphone to ensure it's working correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.